Let's first quickly take you through to the big picture, and here it is. Here are the results. One or two of them still swinging back and forth, couple of the really tight seats. But here's what the picture is looking like right now. These are the actual results, not the leads, the results. The results are that the BJP and its allies have won 329. The Congress and its allies have won 55, others 141. In addition, the BJP is leading in 10 more, which would take it to that 339 mark. For the Congress, its worst performance in history. Really terrible performance. Congress only leading in something. Congress individually as a party is only leading in 44 seats right now, which is by far its worst performance ever. But there's no doubt as to the extent of the verdict and what actually happened. It's an absolutely resounding victory for the BJP, a complete sweep in the country, and a saffron fortress being set up all across the Hindi heartland. State after state being won by the BJP with a virtual sweep. There was something like 7 or 8 seats where the BJP got every single seat just about, maybe just giving a seat or two to the opposition. And in many cases, the BJP got more than 50% of the votes. And that by itself is fairly historic.
5,70,000 का रिकॉर्ड किसी ने किया नहीं है.
That was Vadodara, but the Modi Juggernaut's first public stop after sweeping India in a landmark landslide. India's next Prime Minister sought his mother's blessings. Modi won big, not just for his party and alliance, but for himself too. Varanasi by 3,37,000 votes and Vadodara by 5.7 lakh votes.
अब तक जितने लोकसभा के जनरल इलेक्शन हुए हैं उसमें 5,70,000 का रिकॉर्ड किसी ने किया नहीं है.
Across India, BJP began celebrations. From Assam, where it clocked an unprecedented 7 seats, to Bihar, where with 31 seats, it reduced its former ally Nitish Kumar's JDU to just 2 seats. Even Bengal, where the BJP's vote share shot up about 11% over 2009 to 16%. And of course the sweep of Delhi and the Maha sweep of Uttar Pradesh, winning 71 of the 80 seats. Effectively, Modi has redrawn India's political map, making a clean sweep of Maharashtra, winning 44 out of the 48, along with Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, and holding or improving its performance in other states.
26 में से 26. पहले जब बोलते थे ना तो कुछ लोग हमारा मजाक उड़ाते. और मैं बताता हूं 26 में से अगर 25 भी आती ना तो कल हमारी धुलाई हो जाती. भाजपा वालों के सारी बातें बेकार गई. 26 का दावा करते थे, मुश्किल से 25. हिंदुस्तान को आगे ले जाना है. 125 करोड़ देशवासियों को उनके सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए परिश्रम की पराकाष्ठा करनी है.
Modi's victory has been overwhelming, and the emerging core committee of the BJP was keen to underline that, amidst reports on what will be the role of Advani and Sushma Swaraj in Modi's government.
इसका डिटेल्स में एनालिसिस होना चाहिए कि इस प्रकार के परिणाम क्यों आए हैं. आज का ये परिणाम आया है. विश्लेषण तो और मुझे करना पड़ेगा कई पहलुओं से भी, जिसमें जहां जहां हम पहले कभी नहीं जीते वहां पर भी जीत गए. उसमें नरेंद्र भाई मोदी के नेतृत्व का कितना योगदान है. फिर राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ के साथ जुड़े हुए जितने सारे संगठन हैं जिनमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक है, उन सबके साथ जुड़े हुए जो लोग हैं उनका कितना योगदान है. इन सब बातों को देखना पड़ेगा।
The media is being a little unkind to her. Everybody can have views. Every view need not be identical.
यह मैंडेट नरेंद्र भाई मोदी की लोकप्रियता, क्षमता, प्रामाणिकता के लिए भी एक प्रकार का जनादेश है।
The SPG, the trappings of an Indian Prime Minister, moved in to protect the next PM soon after leads became clear.
That is where the BJP is leading.
Tomorrow Modi goes to Varanasi via a victory procession and a parliamentary board meet in Delhi. His government is likely to be sworn in on the 21st.
After the NDA's massive victory for the first time here in Vadodara, that Narendra Modi is addressing the nation as its Prime Minister designate. Thousands and thousands of people have assembled right here on this very road. Men, women, children, senior citizens, many of them hanging out precariously from those windows here. All of them just wanting to hear Narendra Modi speak. All of them cheering every word he speaks. But then he's now no longer the Chief Minister of Gujarat, but now they call him as PM Sahab.